I built birdhouses for birds. This was not a bird. Walked out to the yard on a bright summer day. Two big shiny eyes and I backed away. Hollered at my wife, said, "Honey, come quick." She Googled it and said, "That's a flying squirrel." And she don't care. There's a squirrel in my birdhouse. Lord, what do I do now? She chewed the door hole wider. I don't even know how. Got babies in the bedroom, acorns in the wall. There's a squirrel in my birdhouse, and she ain't moving at all. Do I knock? Do I call somebody? Is there a hotline for this?